Hi there, welcome to the first episode of OneLink Dubai vlog. Here we'll give you an exclusive insights in our personal lives, showing you how we're building a 7-figure business step by step so you can see everything we do from the inside. We want you to feel like a part of our team, so grab that popcorn and let's take this first journey with us. Today you will find out why we need to cash out $100,000 in cash, and most importantly, where we're planning to reinvest that money to get a massive ROI. We will get a small tour in our OneLink base and show you how we put a pool table and even cook a juicy steak on the grill. So get comfy, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe.
What's up guys, this is Steph from OneLink, and I'm very excited to share with you that we've started a new YouTube series of vlogs where we provide you with insights in our life and how we've been able to build 2 7-figure businesses in Dubai and what we plan to do to scale them to 8 figures. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the first episode. Let's go!
We decided to make a pool table, bro. Why we're making it?
So we can have some fun.
This guy wakes me up every single day at 7 a.m. So like, let's go to the gym. Let's fight.
7 a.m. is too late. You need to wake up at 5 or 6. Early bird catches the worm, remember that.
Bullshit.
Let me show you around. I won't go now in the heat. We'll probably make a separate vlog just to walk you through the whole property. I'll just show you like an overview. So outside we have like the pool area, a nice gym outside. Stay tuned to see more on that. And then here we have like a mini bar. We think about this as an office slash villa where the team is living. So, you know, when we have people coming and going all the time, we need to entertain them. So that's why we created this bar here. We have access to, you know, drinks, coffee, anything. And very soon we'll also add cocktails, non-alcoholic.
This is Alex.
Hey. This is more like a meeting room. When we have somebody we want to be more private, more quiet, we have a meeting here. 2 working desks. So of course each room has its own like, you know, toilet, whatever. That's not interesting. What the fuck? So this is like a nice chill lounge area. We have 3 working desks, the best quality desks that you can find in the market right now.
Look. Boom! You can put something inside.
And you can actually charge things directly. Look at this. Imagine you are working here and then you want to take a nap.
So comfortable.
It's all about optimizing.
Hi, hello. You guys are doing too much playing now. Get back to work.
This is Brett, our adoptive father, you know.
He is an expert in the pool, right?
Full power.
Bullshit.
By the way, look at that. This is our YouTube channel, and we have a lot of ideas that we'll share with you in a couple of weeks, I think.
This is where we have like a nice island area, you know, for cooking. We have a maid that's doing everything for us, so we don't have to do. Look, when you are at this level, you don't want to deal with, you know, cooking and cleaning and this and that. You just pay people. You buy out your time because your time is worth money, right? And about the pool, actually, this is where we are installing the billiard table.
Right here, when I'm standing, it will be a great way to make a decision. For example, I want to do that and you to do something else. We can like, let's play a pool and decide in this way.
I'm going to kick your ass. Show them this.
Guys, this is like the most interesting room in here. You know what I mean, right?
Come on, okay then.
Let's show it.
Look guys, but this is very exclusive. Another bedroom!
It's important that you know you can leave at any time.
And here it's Harry Potter style. You can just...
This is where Nick is sleeping.
Wake up, cousin!
Woo! The pool table is coming. Oh my god. It's huge.
Full table arrived. Hello.
Look at that.
Wow. Now I can make some money from you boys.
Bro, it's Lego.
Oh,
It's Lego.
Oh, well, we'll put it together.
So you want to make a tournament, right?
Huh?
So guys are installing everything. You can see they're like very muscle guys are making a huge thing over here. What's happening? Hello, my name is Nick. Nice to meet you.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
It's a nice C63.
Woo! Can we do that again?
500 dirham per room.
Listen to that, guys.
reclining.
Can you repeat it, please? What about the car?
It's famous in the US. It's 700
In US?
Yeah, it's 750 horsepower, 263 S.
Oh my god. Crazy.
A few moments later.
So, these guys are building this table for at least couple of, I think, years. Because they're doing their job so good. Look at that. What do you think about that?
It's taking longer than expected, but look, this is a custom built billiard table. It's not the one that you just buy and they just...
Tell them about the color.
We chose to have the same color, which is gray, as the color we use like for the interior. So take this for example. See, the kitchen furniture is similar to this gray. And also the base of the billiard table will be completely white, so it will be in, it will match the entire interior of the house.
Oh, by the way, we got this. What is that?
This is a
Air
fryer for cooking healthy meals, you know.
Dylan! You son of a bitch!
We're making some beautiful meat.
Strip loin. Strip loin.
What are you doing?
It's the most tenderest part of the cow. Depends on you eating the male or the female.
So yeah, after it we'll have a beautiful barbecue over there and hope today it will be ready.
Always eat the female, unless you're gay.
No! That's why I love it.
This is not just any table. This is a pool table.
Wow! It is? Look at that. And it's just going directly to one. Look at that bread! Show to them!
That's a serious piece of beef. Look at that.
Moly.
Juicy.
Oh, it's amazing.
It's an air fryer and it's amazing if you ever want to cook strip loin or tenderloin. This is tenderloin.
Wow.
We'll cut into little strips. Very tasty.
Boom, guys! This table is ready. We are so excited. Look at that.
Christen the table, bro. Right, free open table.
Whoa. How? Who do you work for? Who do you work for? How? Whoa, that was super good. So yeah, guys, as you can see, it's perfectly staying here near the table so we can watch while we're eating. Tomorrow will be even better because we need to go there, buy some camera equipment and maybe something much more expensive. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Woo, it's so hot outside. Even lenses are not working properly. So where are we going, Steph?
We are going to one of our developer partners to collect some cash.
I like Dubai for this beautiful view where you have the skyscrapers right there in the desert. It's so interesting when the skyscrapers are somewhere in the middle of the desert. The wind, it's a little bit blurry, you know, and it's the most beautiful thing that I have ever seen in my life. Tell a little bit to our subscribers what we're doing.
Nah, if I tell them I'll have to...
So stay tuned because we are collecting some cash. Right.
$1,900, right? Yeah. So this is like $100,000 pretty much, but because they have like 1,000 bills, it's like looks so small, you know. Like in Romania, it will be like 10 times this for $100,000.
Really?
Yeah.
I told you, I'm a man of my word.
Like this.
It will be like a huge fact. In Ukraine, it's 44 for €1.
Oh my God.
But it's, you know, it's pretty big. I like how it looks. It's good.
Nice client, huh?
My next client, I think.
Thanks, bro. For your help.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So we collected some cash, but why? Bro, tell us.
Now we have to go to deposit it to the bank because I don't really like holding cash, you know, it's like, it's just paper, so I don't need to get rid of it. You know, put it in the bank, reinvest it in the company, maybe buy a nice car, and that's pretty much it.
In the next videos, we talked to Stefan that, bro, like, we need to buy an amazing car and show it to you. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, write a comment which car we need to buy, because we will do that. You will see that.